Hello guys, welcome to new video. I hope you all have seen the Black Panther movie. In this scene of this movie, this very nice rotation effect has been shown. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cool rotation effect in Filmora X. So let's check our rotation demo. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for this type of cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Let's take a little preview. Okay, now let's make our effect. Double click on video and go animation and then customize. Add your first keyframe here and change scale value to 220% and change rotate value to 180 degree. As you can see, our video has been flip up. Now go last frame of the video and reset rotate value and change scale value to 200%. And you're done. Let's check our preview. Okay, now let's see how our animation work. For this, right click on preview window and go zoom level and change zoom level to 10%. Okay, let's check. Okay, now go effects and search cinema 21:9 and add to timeline. Set zoom level to fit and check our final preview. So as you can see, our effect is done, so let's export it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.